Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. I am so happy to to be back with a new video, slightly different one than my other creating videos, because today I have something here I want to show you. There are two things actually I want to talk about tonight. First is my order from Sizzix. I don't know if you have seen on the Sizzix website, but they have a huge sale. I think it's up to 70% off. So I have chosen few products and I want to show them to you because they weren't expensive, first of all, and also because I received many questions about the products I use. And I thought I never do unboxing videos, so maybe this time, even it's a little order, I can show you what I ordered. This will be kind of unenveloping, not unboxing. And then underneath that there is another thing I want to talk about today. Ta-da! It's 40,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I want to thank you very, very much, each of you, of my followers and people who are watching my videos. I am so proud of myself, I can say, and I'm so grateful that you are here. And I thought I should create like a special video, I don't know, a special event, something, but you know what, I'm not, I don't feel in a mood of making anything like that, or maybe I'm lack of ideas. Anyway, I thought the one thing I could do, and let me know in the comment below the video if you would like to see that or not, could be a Q&A video, because I never had anything like that on my channel, and because the number of the followers is growing, I thought maybe you want to get to know me a bit better, or if yes, then I will create a post where you can add your questions. I will try to then record the video. Probably I won't answer all of the questions, but I will choose as much as I can. So thank you very much. This is what I wanted to share with you. And it made me really happy when I woke up to see that the channel reached 40k. Okay, this can go now. So let's go back to Sizzix. This is my order, Sizzix unenveloping. I ordered few sets. Things which I thought I will really like. Not many, because I don't buy much these days, you know. I only try to buy the things which I think I may use a lot. And I try to use as much as I can from the stuff I have already in my stash. Okay, I ordered the envelopes. So this is the plastic envelopes for keeping your dies tidy. Let me just open that. Some of the Sizzix dies usually comes with them, and I really like them because they are see-through and you can see what set is inside. So you know, you can put your dies here. So I ordered this because everything what I ordered today was reduced. These were, I think, maybe £4. I will try to put the prices maybe next to why I will be talking next to the thing I ordered. When I will be editing video, I will try to add the prices. So this is it. Look at that. I ordered this is a cute set of mushrooms and some leaves. I love leaves, all branches, anything to do with nature, and I thought this could be nice. Like you can see, it's like a smaller size, which is nice when you do the composition. Sometimes you need to add something small. Most of the leaves I have are quite big. Yeah, super cute. Can you see that? In the next video maybe I will try to create something with this. But look, there is aircon. I think aircon you call it. Mushrooms, and you've got the spots for the mushroom, and the twigs are super nice. I love that size. Okay, so we've got this one. Then I have some frames, and I really like that these frames are very intricate, very like thin. And I thought sometimes, you know, I like to add a lot of layers to my project, so this will not make the project bulky, but it's always additional layer. Let me just open that as well. So again, they've got a really nice sizes. This is because they're not very big. For DL, for the, you know, long cards, this is like perfect. And I really like they're not, how you call it, not symmetrical. Lovely, lovely. They look amazing here. Then I have the Wreaths. Oh, I wanted these from the first release, but they were quite expensive. I don't remember the price now, and I thought if I ever see them in the sale, I will buy them. I love all Wreaths, and here you can see that it has the envelope. Let me just see the size. Oh, these are very good size as well, because you see for the exploding box, which is like 10 centimeter wide. Sorry for the noises. This will be a perfect size. Let me just measure that. But I think it's not more than 9 centimeters. 8, yeah, 8.5 maybe. So very good for a card or for exploding box. And the other one is 8.5 as well. Really nice. And look at the photo. Let me just show you the photo. They just look so nice, and they can be for Christmas, winter, autumn, spring. You know, you could probably create a nest out of that if you you can cut it in few places, make it smaller, and make a nest out of it, I think. Okay, next one is, this is the background. I really like that background as well, because from time to time I make the cards which are not square and not like you could say 5 by 7. I think it's like American measure, which will be like 12 by 18 centimeters, something like that. So for those cards, you know, backgrounds are good. And I have a different one. I've got few actually, but I really like the pebbles, you could say, spots. I hope it will cut well, and it comes with the envelope as well, so that's nice. So I've got this one, and the last one I ordered is this. This is the stamp and the die set, and I thought for making an album, or again, this is a really good size. So before I ordered anything, I was, you know, trying to look for sizes. Sometimes it's not exactly how you imagine, but you know, the size can tell you a lot. And I thought for mini albums as well, it says making beautiful memories or capture the moment. So this can be used, you know, for different things as well. And I love that camera, so I thought I will try that as well. Like I said, and let me just check if I don't have the invoice here, because I could tell you straight away what the prices are, but no, I don't have it. Anyway, I will link these underneath my video. Maybe you want to go and see what else they have. They had like, there were like few pages I went through. It's just, you know, I didn't want to order a lot. Like I said, I try not to spend too much money on crafting, because on crafting products, because I try to keep balance between spending on crafting and then actually crafting. So yeah, but this I am super happy. I really like everything I ordered today. And before I go, please let me know if you would like that Q&A video, because maybe you don't need it, or as well, maybe you have any ideas for my future videos, what you would like to see on my channel, what yeah, if there is anything you're interested in, let me know. And thank you very much for watching. I know that was quick, I just jumped in and I'm jumping out. Anyway, have a lovely creative day. Bye bye, take care everyone.